I would when roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above.
Hi guys, so we are in Pondicherry and we've checked into the hotel. So initially they had given us like a standard room, but unfortunately the AC wasn't working, so we've been shifted to another fancy duplex kind of room. So we have checked into that, freshened up, and now we are heading to a cafe for brunch. So meanwhile, why don't you check out the second room we checked into?
I would when roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday would seem
Hi guys, so we shopped a bit from this area. Some pretty stuff, but you have to like go through all the hangers and find out what you like. I got some oversized shirts and a dress and a shrug, and I think hopefully I'm going to wear it in one of these lookbooks. So stay tuned. So we were planning to go to the lighthouse, but unfortunately due to maintenance the lighthouse was not functional for the visitors to visit and take pictures inside. So we are on the promenade now. We're heading to Lake Cafe to eat something and chill here for some time, and then proceed to our next plan.
I would when roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday would seem
So we've skipped our beach plan because it's pretty hot and we are too late to chill at the beach because the skin is burning and it's really hot in Pondicherry. So we're just walking around taking pictures of the graffiti and lovely walls and doors and windows. So that's what we're doing as of now. We're gonna walk around and then go to Coromandel Cafe for lunch, and then maybe according to the temperature then we'll figure out if we should go to the beach or not. We're here at the Serenity beach front, and it's really sunny. We're figuring out where to chill and relax and sit.
When you press me to your our world where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday void seems
So it's our last day in Pondicherry. We are heading out to eat something sweet, because that is something we did not do here. We had ice cream though, but nothing like a Frenchy cupcake. The stay at Hotel Parc was nice and pretty comfortable, but the only thing that I'm disappointed in was the complimentary breakfast. I mean, for the amount of room tariff we paid, I was expecting a much more spread, but otherwise 7 out of 10 for the stay. The rooms were 8 out of 10 because of the architecture and the design of the rooms and the concept, and it's a pretty